everyone, come and join me. Let's draw a costume lion today. Let's begin by drawing the shape of its head. Next, the eyes and cheeks. Let's draw the lips and hair. Look, the kid's eyes have opened. The face of a lion is next. And its ears. Let's draw the shape of the kid's body. Next, his arms. And long tail. Let's not forget the lion's mane. Look, it's wagging its tail. I'm delighted. Let's add color to this costume. Do you know that lions have the loudest roar in the whole wide animal world? That's amazing! Do you know where lions are? Lions are believed to be the king of the jungle. That's interesting. Do you think wearing a lion costume for your Halloween party would be fun? The kid is enjoying the music. We hope you have fun watching. See you in the next video.